Hello, welcome back to the LEGO Friends 2026 sets are revealed, and this is the biggest one, the Golden Restaurant. So it looks super fancy. There are lots of colors, and this is like not really the LEGO Friends I know. It's very different, but it's very nice because it doesn't really feel like LEGO Friends. It feels more like LEGO Ideas or something like that, right? So the first floor, I think it's kind of like a living room, so it kind of looks like a house. And the second floor is where they prepare food, and there's also like a dining table in the second floor as well. And the third floor is also a dining table. So we have a lot of animals in these sets as well, like cats. And yeah, so I think we have about like 3 cats and a lot of dolls, and they all have like new outfits. Oh, not all of them. Alia has the same outfit from this year boat adventure set. My favorite is the little lake pond looking like a swimming pool, small swimming pool. It looks totally amazing. And we also have like a white, kind of like a sunbed next to the swimming pool. And there's also like the, cash register in the hallway, first floor. Oh my gosh, this is just so awesome. It's totally fantastic. It looks so amazing. It looks very nice. Look at that. It's totally fantastic. It kind of looks like it doesn't really look like a restaurant. It kind of looks like a resort, kind of like that. So this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.